how to fix Instagram not login in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this new short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. After that you have to go back, open the apps manager, open the apps, and then go to the Instagram app right here. After you open the Instagram app informations page, all what you want to do here is click on the permissions. Make sure that you have the same permissions like me. The camera must be enabled, the location, the microphone, and the storage. Go back, click on the storage here. Click on clear data to clear all the data in the app. After that, open the Play Store and update your Instagram from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.